Welcome to Jefferson Animal Hospital. Since 1985, we have been caring for the pets in our community with love and compassion. Our clinic is open 6 days a week and is fully staffed and equipped to give your pets the care and attention they need to live long, healthy lives. From routine checkups to surgery and everything in between, we offer a full spectrum of care for your four-legged friends. We look forward to giving your pets the care they deserve. So give us a call at Jefferson Animal Hospital today and be sure to ask about scheduling a free exam for your puppy or kitten.